Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your PDF document using Canva. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can open Canva by visiting the Canva website or opening the Canva app, and you're going to go to the More option, and here you can choose Upload menu. It's over here. Select Upload, and you're going to upload your PDF document that you want to edit. And for me, I'm just going to choose this document. Click on Open, and now the document is being uploaded. Just hold on. Okay guys, now the document has been uploaded here, and I'm going to open the document to edit it. Okay, this is my document, and as you can see, guys, that we will be able to edit our document here. For example, I'm going to make it bold, so I'm just going to apply the bold text. Okay, and then you can edit the size of the text, change the font, and even you can add a picture to your PDF document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit PDF document using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.